guys, today we're going to make an adorable and simple bow, perfect for a wedding. What you will need: I have the large Bowdabra, I have some bow wire, a nice amount, usually like 18 inches or so. I have tulle, and then I have this really pretty ribbon, which is 2.5 inches in width, and scissors. You can use whatever color ribbon or style of ribbon you choose. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your bow wire in half and place it down in the center of your Bowdabra. And then you're going to take your ribbon and your tulle. I cut 30-inch long pieces, 2 of them of my ribbon and 2 of my tulle. And I'm going to take my ribbon, fold it in half to find the center. Then with the wrong side facing up, I'm going to find the center and scrunch. So I'm going to fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and then place it down on my Bowdabra. Once I have it in place, I'm going to take one side, kind of estimate the center, scrunch, and place it down. If you want to actually measure the center, you can do so, but I just kind of estimate. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Place it down. And you can adjust it, use your wand to scrunch everything together. And while you have the wand in place, you are able to maneuver that ribbon a little bit more. Just like that. Alright, and we are going to repeat this same step with our 30-inch piece of tulle. So I'm just going to fold it in half to find the center and place it down. And then make a loop with one side and then with the other side. And what I like to do is where I have my tail, I like to make a loop. And then where I have the loop, I like to place the tail over it, so that it kind of gives it a little difference. I don't want the loop on top of a loop and a tail on top of a tail. So I'm going to repeat this step with the second piece of ribbon and the second piece of tulle. Alright, it looks so cute and precious. I'm going to give it one final scrunch and then take my bow wire, place the 2 open ends inside of the loop and give it a nice tug. And then remove it from the Bowdabra. And I'm going to tie it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And I cut away the bow wire this time. If you plan on attaching the bow to something, then you can definitely keep the bow wire in place so it can help you easily tie it to, say, a candle or a staircase or a fireplace or anything like that. And once I have it tied, I'm going to just adjust it, and you can maneuver it and kind of fluff it up a little bit more. But this bow is so cute, simple, and versatile. You can use it for table decor, wall decor, on clothing, on the bridal party, on chairs, whatever you like. You can change the size, just decrease the amount of ribbon to make it smaller, increase the amount of ribbon to make it larger. The possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own.